Welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 3, Florida's Weather and Climate. Sunny days are one part of Florida's climate. Climate is the pattern of weather in a certain place over a long period of time. In general, Florida has a warm, mild climate. One reason for Florida's warm climate is its location on Earth. Florida is closer to the equator than any other state except for Hawaii. The closer a place is to the equator, the warmer it is. Elevation also affects temperature. Elevation is how high an area is. The lower an area's elevation, the warmer its temperature. Florida is a very low-lying state, and so it has warm temperatures. Florida's warm, mild climate has a big impact on the state. Warm temperatures and lots of rain help farmers' crops grow. It even stays warm enough in some places in Florida the crops can be grown in winter. The state's warm weather also makes it a popular destination for tourists. In addition to temperatures, climate also includes the kind of precipitation a place gets. Precipitation is any water, such as rain, sleet, snow, or hail, that falls to Earth. Most of Florida gets 50 to 60 inches of rain per year, making it one of the wettest states in the Southeast. Florida almost never gets snow, however. In fact, snow falls so rarely in Florida that some people in our state have never even seen snow except on television. Usually, Florida gets plenty of rain. Sometimes, however, there is a drought, a long period without rain. Droughts are dangerous to crops, animals, and people. If a drought lasts long enough, crops and animals might die, which hurts the farming business. During a drought, local governments may limit the amount of water that people can use. For example, people might not be allowed to water their yards and gardens for a while. Thunderstorms are dangerous for a few reasons. They can bring too much rain and can result in flooding. A flood happens when a body of water overflows its banks. Thunderstorms also produce lightning. Lightning strikes can hurt people and start fires. Thunderstorms are also dangerous because of the high winds they can bring. High winds can knock down trees and cause damage to buildings. Hurricanes are severe storms that bring heavy rainfall and very strong winds. At wind speeds starting at 74 miles an hour, mild hurricanes usually don't hurt buildings, but the very worst hurricanes can have wind speeds of over 150 miles an hour. That's strong enough to rip roofs right off of buildings. Some houses might be blown over completely. Hurricane winds often cause storm surges. Storm surges are huge ocean waves. These waves, whipped up by the strong winds, can flood coastal areas, causing major destruction of property. Hurricanes not only cause property damage, but they can also harm people. Florida's climate is another feature that makes Florida a very unique place.